how's it going? My name is Timba Heat. Happy New Year's, everybody. Thank you so much for your patience. These past couple of months have been a little hectic, but now we'll be back on schedule to guarantee you your weekly salsa fix to make sure you be learning some brand new moves and to improve your salsa vocabulary. In this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called Suzy Q. Make sure to subscribe for more educational but entertaining videos. But without further ado, que comience la fiesta! Alright, me hit the straight into it. Let's start off with somontuno. Here we go. 5, 6, somontuno, and 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Suzy Q, nice and slow. We're gonna start off with that left leg crossing in front of our right foot on 1, opening up with that right foot on 2, then cross with that left leg on 3, hold 4. What's gonna happen next, our weight's gonna transfer to that left leg, crossing that right foot in front on 5, opening up with that left leg on 6, and then cross that right foot one more time on 7. Okay, let's repeat that one more time. Suzy Q with the left leg. We go left, right, and cross. Right foot now. And 5, 6, 7. Somontuno. Head. All 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. Here we go. And nice and slow. Suzy Q. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, basic, y 1, 2, 3, allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, so when doing Suzy Q, you want to make sure that you're keeping your legs nice and tight, but also you're not lifting too high with the knees. A lot of people think it's about making it look super fancy by keeping it up here like this, and then they go boom, bah, bah, and see how high it looks. No, it makes it look sloppy, right? So you want to keep it nice and tight. The Suzy Q is about the tightness of the legs, but also making sure that your feet is always consistently switching the weight. So I'm not going left, right, like that, right? No. What I'm doing is I'm going weight on my left leg, switching the weight to my right foot, then switching the weight to my left leg. When I bring that leg across, I'm not going super high. I'm actually keeping it close to my ankle, actually. If anything, maybe by my shin. If anything, by my shin. 5, 6, hold 7, then crossing on that 1, 2, hold 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So make sure you keep it nice and tight. It will look cleaner, and also the switching of the weight will make your Suzy Qs look much smoother, and also you can go much faster. So let's try this in halftime with music, and then we'll go at full speed. All right? Here we go. 5, 6, somontuno, halftime. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Somontuno. And 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Double time. 1, 5, 6, 7, 1. Suzy Q. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. One more time. 1. Somontuno. And 1. Let's try that one more time. Here we go. Suzy Q. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Basic. 1. One last time. Here we go. 5, 6. Suzy Q. 1, 5, 6, 7. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Somontuno. Y and allí nada más. Alright, mi gente, that concludes for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. What a great way to start the new year. To support the channel, make sure to smash that like button, tap the subscribe button, and hit that bell notifications to be the first ones to know when a brand new video is uploaded to the channel. If you haven't seen our previous videos, there'll be a nice playlist right here for you, so you can check out all the cool moves we previously learned and then add this brand new move into your back pocket. Also, drop a comment down below and tell me what was your favorite movie for this video and what are you looking forward to in the next upcoming videos for 2022. Until then, my name is Hebert. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.